Welcome back to our session on communication network. So in our previous three sessions, we have discussed the basics of the networks and the standardized model, which is known as OSI model, and then your protocols. Okay. So the last part of this unit, here we are going to see about different types of error, how we are detecting the error and we are correcting the error. So here data can be corrupted. So what is error? That's a corruption in the data. So data can be corrupted during transmission. Okay. So this is our error. We are sending some data to the receiver, but it's not in the original form which is being given by the sender. There may be some corruptions, that is some modification in the data, that is called as error. Some applications requires that errors be detected and corrected. So see here, suppose if our information is very normal, okay, very simple thing. If we are modifying the information in some form, it won't be a very big issue. But when we are sending some serious matter or very personal thing, if you are changing the information or if some errors occurred in the system, the receiver can understand the information in a wrong way. At that time, it is a very big issue. So we, for depending on the application and information, the error detection and correction may be must. What are the types of error? Okay, so see here is a information is transmitted in the form of series of zeros and ones. So first type is a single bit error. So what is mean by single bit error? See in the sender side. So it consists series of 6 zeros followed by 1 and then 0. But it is received as series of 4 zeros, then 1 0 1 0. So when you compare the fifth bit, the 0 in the sender side changed as 1 in the receiver side. So only one bit changed in the information when you compare both the information in sender and receiver side. So this is called as single bit error. Second one is burst error. So burst error is normally multiple bit error. Okay. So it means that two or more bits in the data unit have changed. So burst error. So how we are mentioning it? See here, sender is a sent information 0 1 triple zeros 1 triple zeros 1 4 zeros 1 1. This is the original information. But in what